Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be flipping through 4 new sticker books from Love Posh. These are sticker books that I received when I went to Go Wild last week, and they are going to finally be available to purchase on Friday, May 3rd at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. I will have all that info down in the description. Right now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to flip through these books, and that way you can see everything that's in here. I plan on doing a separate video with a plan with me, but this is just going to be a flip through video. Also, I have some washi that I'm going to share too that is going to be released in this release too. So yeah, let me flip through these. Let's start with Office Chic first. So there's quite a bit of books to flip through, which I'm very excited about. So at the event, at the Go Wild event, they had a booth set up and they were actually selling these. So people were able to already purchase them who attended the event, which was really cool to see. So these were super popular. People were just buying them up, and yeah, it was amazing. They did very, very well, and their books are just good. So that makes sense. So we have Office Chic, and these are, let me just double check. Yeah, 30-page sticker books. All right, and I feel like it's a lot of just more decorative stickers, which I love. So we have this pretty pink theme here. This one's really pretty with the florals. Got a little keyboard there. Pretty desk. So you have 4 pages, 2 are duplicates. We have 4 pages for this theme. Here's the next one. Pretty blues on this one, go-getter. This one you get a girl. And then here's the second one. These flowers are really pretty. They're nice. I'm not bossy, I am the boss. That's cute. Here's the next theme. Don't wish for it, work for it. I can and I will. Love the blue and pink florals. Get more florals on this page. These are all paper. So it's a combo of paper and clear. These are clear. You have some the office ladies here. I love like just the black theme. It's like super serious, but I love black. So that's a pretty aesthetic with the green, like black and green. Love that. Okay, then we get a little bit more colorful on this one with the pinks and orange, or like peachy color. And the tropical plants. Next theme, more of a neutral palette on this one. I love like the little stack of books. Those are cute. The shelves. And then you got some desk. Oh, this one's cute, like the little picture. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's like watercolory and the green. These are clear. Pretty scenes. A couple of girls. Now we have some quotes. I grind, but most of all, I pray. Empowered, unstoppable boss babe. Confidence on point. Boss babe mode activated. Boss babe vibes only. So you get a mixture of quotes here. And you get 2 sheets like that. Okay, so that is the Office Chic sticker book. Next is going to be Wildly Chic. This one's really cute. Lots of animal print in here if you like animal print. Love the tropical vibes. Cute, cute. These are all paper stickers on this one. You get some like washi stickers, some animal print here. These are all paper too. These are clear. I love like anything with like a Polaroid photo kind of look. Love those. Oh, look at this, dreaming of a vacation. I like that too, the little bubbles. I love green and pink together too. Ooh, love the zebra print. Black and white theme. That's really pretty. More of a neutral tone on this one. Ooh, fun. So more black and pink on this one. Stay wild. That's cute. Wildly Chic. Ooh, I wish this was like an actual roll of washi. That's fun. That's a nice pattern. Okay, then we got the girls in the leopard print. I think, is that leopard print? I think so. So yeah, if you like animal print, this is definitely going to be up your alley. Here's some more washi stickers. On this page, got some tigers and the tiger stripes, leopards, or cheetah, I think. I'm really bad with animals, so don't come at me, please. Wild and free. Let your wild heart lead the way. Be wild, be you. Wild heart, carefree spirit. Cute. I always love Love Posh's quotes. She does a good job mixing like the different font styles, sizes. Like there's always something I could like pick and choose that fits what I need for a spread. So yeah, love the variety on here. So that's Wildly Chic. This one's super cute. I feel like this one's gonna be really pop. These next two actually are gonna be, they're all gonna be good, but I feel like because we're planners and we're crafters, these are gonna be like the ones. Chic Crafter. How cute is this page? I love all the colors. Just so happy. Got planner cards, Cricut, all the scrapbook paper, the cutting sheets for the Cricut, hot glue guns, all the crafty stuff. That one's fun. Okay, those are all paper. Ooh, this one's pretty. I love, my favorite color is green, so anything green I'm like, and green and pink together, love that combo. Kind of like Victorian or vintage looking. Oh, these florals look like they're like embroidery kind of florals. That's what they look like. That's cool. Purple and a teal color. That's a pretty combo. All the crafting stuff. Here's a more neutral tone with some cactus. I like that. That's cute. The girl's painting. Oh, that's a pretty one. Some more purple florals. Like the paint swatches. Okay, then you got all the crafty stuff here. Got some painting scenes. More of a rainbow one here. These are always fun, like these rainbow craft rooms. Jewelry. Oh, cool. Jewelry crafting. I kind of got a taste of this when I made those. I made friendship bracelets for the Go Wild event. Yeah, it's not easy making little bracelets. All right, and then we have little quote. We have the quotes. I'm not a hoarder. I'm a collector of crafting supplies. Very true. I can totally make that. Create and conquer. Crafting is my therapy. So you get 2 sheets of crafting related quotes. All right, so that is Chic Crafter. And then the last one is Chic Planner. Okay. Pink and black and white theme. That's always a good theme. So you get a couple pages of this theme with all the planner stuff. More neutral tone on this one. The planner cart, washi, drawers. I feel like we all have those. Florals, pretty neutral florals. Ooh, these are cute. These are clear. Got some planners with florals. And then more of a neutral one. Oh, little doggy. Cute. I love that. Ooh, that couch is cute, actually. Oh, there's a little kitty right here. I was like, where's the cat? Oh, there's a cat right there, too. Of course. Cat's like just being a cat. Per usual. More office crafting planning areas. Could kind of go all ways, actually. That's kind of what my desk does. All the things. Okay, pink theme here with black. Ooh, I love this like striped washi. That's a pretty theme. Those are pretty like neutral blues. Purple and pinks. Little highlighters, that's cute. And then the quotes. Planning, plans pave the way. PMW. I plan, therefore I am slightly more organized. That's true. The magic is in the planning. Oh, this one you get only one sheet like this. Oops. And then you get a different sheet. Obsessive stationery collector. Don't touch my pens. Plan your stress away. Planner AF. I heard cancel plans. That's funny. Okay, so that is the last book. Those are all the books that are releasing. Let me go get the washi next. I'm gonna show it in the boxes. We have a black and white thin collection here. So that one's really cool. Lots of fun patterns on that one. And it's all black and white. Love that. And then we have, this one's a new, just a pastel one. Those are really, really pretty. You can definitely use that a lot in a spread. I love using just like plain washi like this too in spreads. And then there's also a rainbow themed one. Very nice. And then we have rainbow but striped and regular. I think all of this is new. If it's not, I'm sorry, but this is what was in my box when I received it from Love Posh. And I'm sure it's all going to be available to purchase. So yeah, I love washi, and I love like neutral patterned washi like this, just like neutral stuff that you can use in a spread. It's always works very well. And then we have this one right here, which is like a thicker washi. So in some nice neutral patterns. Okay, so that is everything that is releasing. Again, I will have a plan with me of this probably before this video even comes out, to be honest. I plan on using one of these in my weekly spread for the current week. So if you haven't seen that already, definitely check it out. But I wanted to flip through this before I started using the stickers. So that's why I have to kind of do it out of order, but that's okay. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're interested in purchasing, it'll be linked down in my description. I'm not sure yet if this video is going out the day of release or before, probably before. But it'll be a link to Love Posh's website, and I do have a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. Definitely use a code so you can get at least 10% off your order. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.